Guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 27th, 2024. In this additional, I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 8264. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. We don't know, we will see. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Let me check for dual boxes. We have a dual box here. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. How about triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Cannot fill the numbers yet, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here triple quadra boxes? Here a quadra box, there a quadra box, and here a quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box of the L shape quadra box is always a 5. Okay. Here I cannot fill those numbers. Here 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Okay. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Where you see the T shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5 then. Okay. Do we have more T-shapes? Here, another T-shape. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, more T-shapes? Nope. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction? If you mirror this or flip this, you will get the S construction. It's the same shape. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay, the Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, rotated. This one. This box has the same number as that box. And the final shape. I believe this is the final shape. Let me draw this here. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them. Yes, I believe the L shape is missing here. Anyway, 5 shapes, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, we have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Can be a 4, yes, definitely a 5 is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box level 3 in this Z construction should be here. Is connected with that box should be so 3. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 1 numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes in there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. Is also connected with that box 1 and a 4. Is also connected with this box 1 and a 4. Okay, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see, I think this box will be a 5, because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there. Can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that in this quadro box, this box can be 1 and more. The 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. And now, come on. I'm thinking. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 there, because otherwise this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. But we already, no, we have a double 5 here. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution to place the 5 there, no, the place level 5 should be here. Okay, and now, no 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 in more. If I place 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 5 here. The only place level of 5 should be here. Alright. Well, this box can be a 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 there, double 4 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 2 in this triple box. The only place left for the 2 in this triple box should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Here also the same numbers, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. And now, let me see. 1 and a 4. Come on. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for this 1. And a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. These are 3 boxes. So the one can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 is left in this W area shape for number 5. This one is connected with that box, should be also 2 and the 4. But we have a double 2 there, so it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 2. Then this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes, so either one can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright, these are 3 boxes. So the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 or a 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. And 1 number left in this Z construction for number 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 or a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Then, yeah. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a double 5 there, yes, definitely 3. Alright, and now. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L shape quarter box for numbers 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Okay. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also a 5. This... Oh, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Well, we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. We go down. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then, let me see. Well. 2, 5, I need a 3 here. 3 could be everywhere. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 4, 3 or 5. 3 or 5. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Overlooked. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Need a 4 here, okay. Well, thinking. Thinking. 2, 2. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. If eliminated here, the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These are 3 boxes. So out of 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes here. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. Faster than 20 minutes, so definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow, yeah, on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.